Hi, are you looking to write that perfect diary or that perfect journal? So, this is the number one and the biggest myth that you have to overcome. So, what is the number one myth that people have while writing a diary, or why do not they start that writing journey? So, the biggest myth is I want to write that perfect diary. I want to be perfect from day one. So, what really goes on in our minds, okay, we need to understand, and how do we overcome that? So let's take an example of swimming. How many of you are into swimming? Do you know the process? And if you remember, how did you learn? So let's take, there was a hypothetical situation. The first situation is like a group of people, okay, were instructed to get in the water and start learning by themselves. The second group was told they have to read each and every book that was available on swimming. Then they were instructed to get the right mentors, to check with experts, talk to them even before they got into the water. And there was this 6 months time which was given to each group. And then there was this third group which was instructed that initially they have to get into the waters and then come up with their queries, and then there would be someone who will guide them. So what do you think would be the results after 6 months? So the people in the first group, they learned swimming on their own. They found out their own methods, they evolved with time, and eventually they started learning, and they were actually uh, good swimmers, like average swimmers. The second group, which did not get into water for 6 months, they knew each and everything about the subject, but when they actually got into the water, you know what will happen. Then the third group, they became pro swimmers, because it's not just getting into the swimming pool. They had their own efforts, and then there was someone to guide them through the process as well. So it's the same with diary writing. If you're someone who's never started, who's never written a diary, who's never started journaling, so this is for you. The only thing that you need is just like the swimming pool, okay, you need a swimming costume and a goggle. The same way, you don't even need a goggle initially. So the same way, you need just a pen and a paper, and what you need to do is start writing. So my first, like when I started in 2009, so there was no one to guide me. There was nothing I could nothing I could find uh, any guidance on the subject. So I just had this will and I started writing. And the biggest uh, thing was, like, initially I used to think like what to write, and hours and hours used to go away and I wasn't able to write anything. Then it started occurring like, okay, let's start writing what went through the day. And that is how all everything started. So if you're someone who's looking to uh, progress in this, then the only thing that you need to do is start writing about your day's experience. Don't think much. Whatever you think of, start writing. You might get some ideas, start writing it. You might be thinking, oh, I had these thoughts throughout the day, or maybe this is the future plan that I have. Start writing. The only thing that we need for a perfect diary is that we need to start. For example, the biggest time waster people have is like they're waiting for that perfect guidance, and then they think like, oh, one day I'll actually start writing that diary. That really never happens. In life, you must have seen, like, always there is a first time. So the first time I remember, like a few months back, when I started my started taking videos, started making videos. So i I did not knew how to, so the camera angle wasn't right. I think even today I haven't kept it in a perfect angle. So it's okay. I was really scared the first time. I had taken around 53 takes to just make a video for 2 to 3 minutes. So that really happens with everything new in life. This really happens, and the only way to overcome it is not by learning a lot, but by implementing it. If you have, if you do implementation and you get constructive feedback, that's the right way to progress for anything in life. If you want to be a pro in diary writing, then this is what you need to do. And there is lot that can be done only through writing. Writing is also a therapy. Writing is used for manifestations. Writing is used for self exploration, self discovery. Writing could be used as a tool for self help. There is lots you can do with writing, but the it depends from people to people what is the purpose they are having for writing. So I'll be helping you out. I'll be sharing my own experience, like how I made progress and how you can too, and how you can become a pro writer one day. So I'm looking forward to see you guys write that initial pages, write those initial lines, and let me know your feedback. uh, let's mhm. Okay, we'll have another video soon, and we'll also take a session for all those guys who complete the first few pages, and then I'll give you a free session, like how you can get more deep into diary writing. That fair enough? Is that fair enough? Right? So looking forward, and do let me know your feedback, your queries as well. But initially you have to start writing, and only then I'll answer your queries. So this is it, and I'm just checking if I've taken any notes and whether I need to communicate something else to you as well. Yeah, I think that is very well it. Okay, so thank you so much.